His arms afloat, his lips sealed in a satisfied smile, and the air around him bereft of the brashness that has come to define him. Virat Kohli, the captain, acknowledged the applause as he completed his 100th run for the 19th time in his 124th ODI innings. Call it a conscious attempt to mask his pride or captaincy getting the better of youthful aggressions. Virat Kohli allowed his broad bat to do all the talking against Bangladesh. Virat Kohli and Ajinkya Rahane's 213-run stand was the talking point of India's convincing run chase. With Shikhar Dhawan back in the hut, the onus of chasing another stiff target was on champion chaser Virat Kohli. The burden on Kohli's captain's shoulders increased when he saw a delivery crash into Rohit Sharma's stumps. In walked Ajinkya Rahane, a player trying to cement his position in this Indian ODI outfit with a lot of expectations. The duo stayed there and laid a solid platform. The Kohli-Rahane partnership was a perfect mix of caution and aggression. During the first 50 runs, it was a Kohli show. The Delhi Dasher scored freely and faced most of the deliveries as Rahane continued to play an able partner's role. For the record books, this was Captain Kohli's 8th win on the trot, and all of them have come away from home. With this 100, his 19th in ODIs, he surpassed Brian Lara's record of 18 ODI tons. Kohli also becomes the batsman with most ODI hundreds in Bangladesh, 5. Kohli adjusted early to the slow nature of this surface, and when the time came, he opened his shoulders, first to accelerate the scoring and then to celebrate his 19th ODI 100. There was no punch in the air, no swearing, no shouts or signals to the dressing room, but just the raise of the arms and a kiss on the crest. Meet the mature Kohli. Sports Desk, DD News.